Hey friends, who's hungry? This hearty potato corn chowder is packed with veggies, cheese, and smoky ham. It's a cozy, family-friendly meal made easy. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 large diced yellow onion, 3 peeled and diced carrots, and 2 diced ribs of celery and saute the vegetables for 5 minutes. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and saute for an additional 30 seconds. Next, add 5 cubed medium red-skinned potatoes, 6 cups of chicken stock, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium and simmer covered for 35 minutes. Add 4 cans of undrained whole kernel corn. Simmer the chowder for an additional 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Remove the pot from the heat. Add 4 cups of sharp shredded cheddar cheese and 2 cups of whole milk. Stir until the cheese is melted. Return the pot to low heat. Then stir in 4 cups of cooked and diced ham, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 sliced green onion. Warm until heated through and season the chowder with salt and pepper to taste. Then serve garnished with additional green onions. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.